don't know if you can see my face or not. Probably barely. Which you can hear me. I know you can. And there is probably most likely going to be maybe a tornado. I am not messing around. I think there is a tornado watch coming our way. And I'm just now leaving Landry's house. And I don't fuck down my life. I am kind of scared. I'm being honest. I'm kind of scared. And it's freaking dark out here. And it's like, let me see it. It's 5 o'clock. Which is not really that dark at 5 o'clock. It's really, at 5 o'clock, it's supposed to be kind of light. You know what I mean? Kind of light, kind of dark. And yeah. I'm caped out. I've been only there for like 30 minutes. And my first half of my video, I told you I was going to be with him. So I'm going to post that video tomorrow. And then I'll post this video right after it. So yeah, I already know what the first video is going to be called. And I forgot to tell you at the end. Which I'm really sorry. And what the first video is going to be called is OMG, there's going to be a tornado. And this video is going to be the other half of that. And yeah. I watched the movie Scream and they're just walking recording a video and they get jabbed. I just can't. And then they get jabbed and pushed in the pool and then their mom's calling them. It's fucking scary, man. I'm gonna go in here. You'll be in my pocket, so 1, 2, 3. Go. Hey, why didn't Justin leave?
Huh?
What is this? Who is that?
No shade. No science. I'm telling you, I gotta get you ready to